My natural hair is beginning to stress the hand out of me for real. Everybody tends to love your natural hair, appreciate it. They want to have the kind of hair you have, but then again, they don't know what you go through to make the hair look so good. My natural hair really frustrates me most times because I have a very short hair. It's not really that bad, but my hair is short and it's very difficult to style. I washed my hair yesterday and moisturized it to make it soft and look nice. Then I need my mini braids, which looks scary right now. So I'm losing my mini braids here in this video. I did my mini braids so my hair will be okay, moisturized and hydrated. Then I want my hair buoyant on it. So today I'll have to loosen them to style it. The most annoying part about the styling of my hair is that I will imagine the hairstyle in my head. I would think it will come out so good and nice. At the end of the day, I'll end up doing rubbish. So I was like, today I'm going to do it no matter what. I would not allow anybody discourage me. Nobody actually discourages me. I'm the one that does that to myself because I really get tired. My hair is really full and it's very hard for me to, go through the hair to create what I want, my imaginary hairstyles in my head. So I'm going to tell you guys about what happened to me the last time I went to make my hair. Yeah. So I went to this salon. It's a very big salon in Abuja here. It's a popular salon. I just wanted to make cornrows. Just cornrows. Because that's the only hairstyle I'm comfortable with. I can wear wigs whenever I like and all that. My hair is really full, so I don't really like doing braids on my hair because I can't sit for long. Or you have to cut it very big. That's the only way I will agree to make my hair braids or any other style. And the worst part of it is that after I finish doing that hairstyle, after all the stress and everything I go through just to make the hair look so good, after 2 days the hair will scatter. But if I get a very good stylist, the hair can last for at most a week. But then the next week it will look like a month old hair. I think I have undergrowth. Or should I say overgrowth? I don't know what to say, but my hair grows really fast. And it's annoying sometimes. I know, right? It's something good, but it's really annoying. So I got to the salon and I was waiting for it to get to my turn for me to make my hair. I waited and waited and waited. It finally got to my turn because they were very busy and people are really much in that salon. There are always lots of people there. It's always crowded. And I went there very early, like let me say 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. I think so. Because it was crowded. I still had to wait for my turn because I had no choice. Many people were there. Some people were the store they used to install hair there, stuff like that. So it was really crowded. And it was on a weekday, surprisingly. Okay, sorry, it was on a Friday. Yes, on a Friday. So I finally did it. Oh, it finally got to my turn. Sorry, let me not skip the story. It finally got to my turn. And then she started making my hair. And I was like, this hair is paining me because the lady was using all the force or power and everything to drag my hair. And I was like, this hair is paining me, ma. Please reduce the tightness or whatever because it's really paining me. And I could not come to your store and pretend as if I'm okay. Then when you finish my hair and then I go home and cry or I'll lose the hair because it was really painful. I used to avoid things like that. It was before I would not say anything, they would do the hair. When I get home, I would take paracetamol. I was feeling headache. Then I will still lose the hair the next day. But in this economy, everybody have to be very smart. Not somebody, everyone has to be very smart. So I told the stylist that I don't like it. She had to start again because it was really tight. Then she losing the hair. And even as it was very tight, I don't know. She'll be making my hair the front part, she's not picking it. Not like the front. I have front hair. Pick the front hair. She's leaving it as if it's I want to use for edges. I mean, I'm not really a fan of edge control and all that. I don't use edge controls and all that on my hair. I barely use them because it causes dandruff on my hair. Yes, my hair does not accept things like that. So I know the kind of hair I have. I have to try to work with my hair. So I told this lady not to leave any hair at the front. She was like, for edges. I said, I'm not saying that one. I don't want it. She said, okay. It was not as if I'm complaining too much because this lady was really stressing me. So she finally agreed to my terms because I'm the customer and a customer is always right. So I told her that she should do it like this. So not like I was causing problems, but for my own sanity and peace, she has to do the hair the way I want it. Because if she does it the way I don't like it, I'll just keep quiet and go home. And then I will have to lose the hair. That's a waste of time and money. So she started doing the cornrows. It was going well at first. She did the first three, it was okay. Then she continued doing the hair. I don't know what she was doing at the back. She was weaving the hair and then my hair was hanging. And I'm like, why is my hair hanging? You're supposed to weave it to the end. She said then that part, the bottom, it did not reach. But you are the one that cuts the hair. It's not as if that part of my hair there's no hair there. Because I know there's hair everywhere. She said my that place is short. She was weaving the hair. You know that kind of thing that when they weave your hair will be hanging at the back. And I was trying to explain to her that and see oh my hair, I have hair at the back and I always do cornrows every time. So I don't get why my hair will be hanging when you're weaving it. And she was like, Madam, I beg, this is not the first time I'm doing cornrows. Maybe you go teach me. I said, if you don't know how to do your job, they will teach you your job. Because you cannot be doing things on my head and maybe tomorrow I'll wake up and the back of my hair is cutting. Maybe that part of my hair is strained. I don't know. Like it will be uncomfortable for me. Why will my hair be hanging? I'm not bad. I don't have bad head. I have hair at the back of my head. My hair won't reach my neck. So why are you placing my hair? Sorry, rather weaving my hair and my hair is hanging. What are you trying to achieve? What really is your plan? Because this one was already stressing me and I was getting really tired of doing this my hair. So after so many complaints, quarrels and fights, I decided to allow my hairstylist do her job according to her. She said that I should not teach her job, that she knows her job very well. So I was like, oh sorry, please do your job, ma. Go ahead with your job. And I kept quiet and allowed her to finish styling the hair, which was total rubbish. What will I say? Very annoying, nonsense, stupid thing. If that's a complete sentence, it was very annoying. But for I just had to let it go. And then I left that shop around 2 p.m. I went there around 9 a.m. I left there around 2 p.m. Let's just say roughly 3 hours just to do the cornrows for me. So when I got home, I checked the mirror and I saw that the front of my hair, some part of it, she left hair in front. I don't know if it's for edges. I don't know why she left it. She was brushing. Then all those some part of the cornrows, the middle part, about four or five of the cornrows on my hair, the middle part. It was like brushing, like you leave some part of your hair. The way they used to do brushing all back. Do you get? If they don't want to pick your front hair, that's how they weave it. She did it like that. Then at the end of one part of my hair, it was hanging. Then the other side, it was not straight. One part was bent, one was straight. The hair was just so annoying. I paid 3,500 naira for these cornrows for something that I would do normally in a local store for 1,500, and it would be neat and fine. I went to this store and she did rubbish for me. I could not go back to complain. I just let it go. And the hair was painful. She was holding the hair so tight as if I'm owing her money. Like I'm owing her money. She's trying to draw me money to collect her money. So I just ignored. And I stayed with that hair. I don't like the hair at all. And I was not going out at all. So It was not a problem for me. I was always indoors. After like 2 days, my hair started coming out from the cornrows. It was not as if my hair was 1 month old. I don't know why my hair used to grow fast. Is it undergrowth or is or overgrowth? I don't know what to name it. But this was a different case because the hair from the root was already scattered. Just someone and it was paining me. That hair pained me for straight 1 week. For 1 week, I was taking paracetamol every day because of cornrows that I did. On the second week of the hair, I did not want to let it cross. The second week, Monday, and I had to lose the hair. I lost the hair, then I did this my mini braid that I used to start this my video that I saw at the starting of this video. At the beginning of the video rather. Sorry, English. So that was what I did. So I think let me style my hair something different because of the pain and everything. It was really not going well. After all the trials and everything I did to make this hair fine, I ended up just putting a band in front. Team natural all the way. This is how I look. If you have any better style for me to put on my hair or to style my hair or to design it, please recommend in the comment section. Just help me. Help a sister, please. I tried my best, but it did not work. I have no idea of what I'm doing to this my hair. I just ended up putting my hairband back because it's easy and comfortable for me.